you don't need your mask. Blizzard Beach. Guess you don't need the mask. First time I'm here. Here at Blizzard Beach, first time I'm here, and first time we're using the GoPro. See how this works out. I don't know if I'm gonna get on this. Well, I thought it was a lift for that big slide, which looked scary, but it's actually for a few rides, so I guess we're gonna go up. Every time I go on a ride, I feel so clumsy. Can't follow directions. Oh, they're automatic. I'm gonna fall down, oh my god. Of course I don't follow directions. I never follow directions. Well, this is nice and not bad. Get a good view from up here. I could see Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studio.
And in the distance, Spaceship Earth. Blizzard Beach doesn't seem to be a huge water park, so it's not going to be a long day. We're getting on the first ride here. It's Teamboat Springs.
Oh, aquí vamos, mira.
¿Qué? ¿Dice algo?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. This looks like a fun one. I almost dropped my GoPro, it was slipping out of my hand. Luckily I had the strap. Well, we had some lunch and then we came to Meltaway Bay to relax on the wave pool / beach. Well, the water's not warm or cold, it's just right. We ate stuff. Recommendation: go on some of the harsher rides before you eat, because then you're wasting your time, because you have to wait an hour for the food to go down before you go on one of these other things. So eat
after you go on the harder roads.
Here's going to be the best part. Time to relax on the cross-country creek. This just feels so good. So relaxing, I could be here for hours. Got me in the balls. Now this is a real lazy river. We really could stroll down this lazy river for hours. They probably thought I was rude. I didn't mean to be. Wow, this goes on forever. Love it.
Gonna find a life like this where I belong.
Well, I couldn't film on that because I had to put the GoPro like in here. Alright, so up you go.
Vlad went to ask the lifeguard for the glasses.
He lost his glasses. You found your glasses?
Yep, he got them back.
Going up the stairs.
Oh, this was a big climb. Shows how out of shape I am.
It's a lot of workout. This is the open one, right? Oh, thank you. All right, thank you. Woo. Why did I get on this thing? Oh my God. Woo, it's fun. Not that bad. Coming out of the thing. Oh. Oh my God. Hey? Oh my God. No. Oh. trying this again. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, should have got off on it before. Thank you. Oh boy, here we go again. Okay, I'm riding this thing.
Have a great run.
How's it going? Good, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. You see that pool over there?
Thank you.
Trying to get one more ride in because the park is about to close and we have to head to the hotel. So this is our last ride here in the kiddie ride. Well, I wasn't moving. I was kind of stuck. Any second now, the lifeguard's going to blow his whistle to tell me to move on. And there he is. Well, that was the last ride.
Fácil.
Now Vlad's going down the slide for the last time here, and that will do it for today. Not a long day, but it was a lot of fun. Time for a last drink of the day, and then heading back to the hotel. And tomorrow, Epcot Center.
We are now arriving at Epcot.
See you in the next Disney vlog.